Hey, in five sixes, I'm going to talk you through how to turn a Google Sheets, how to use this data that you've all got, and how to create some charts within that spreadsheet. Okay, well, they call it a Google Sheet. So the purpose of this is so that you can use data and then create a graph to create a graph with it. So we can see here when we're looking at the figures and the numbers and the states and things, it's very difficult to get information from it when it's just a whole bunch of numbers. And you can see that it's going to have much more impact if I turn it into a chart. A couple of things here. I've got the state, all the states here, no territories. The hectares destroyed by bushfire, the total area of each state, okay, and that's been divided by 10 so that you can get comparative numbers, and then how many total homes lost. So what we can see is that there's quite a difference between the homes lost from state to state. Another one here is the international aid and how many firefighters these different countries sent to Australia during those bushfires. And then the last thing I've got for you here is how much money was donated by lots of different businesses and people and that kind of stuff. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to grab or highlight the state and the hectares destroyed by bushfire. I'm going to go up here to insert chart, and then you'll just have to find that in your menu. Sometimes your menu might be a bit bigger or smaller depending on what your settings are at, but insert the chart. Google's really clever. It will figure out that you've only got two pieces of information there, one being the state, the other being how much of that state was destroyed by bushfire. And you can see it's created a chart for me. I can go to column chart. I can change it to a pie chart if I wanted to. There's lots of different options down here, okay? And it's your task to choose different data sets and which different chart might be the best one to show that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and delete this chart first. Now, instead, I'm going to grab two different pieces of information. Okay, so I've got the state, and then I've got two different amounts next to it, one being hectares destroyed by fire, the other being the total area of that state. Again, it's divided by 10. Choose the chart, and it will figure out that I want two. So in the blue, I've got how much of that state was destroyed by bushfire, and in the red, how big the state is altogether, okay? So you can see that when New South Wales copped it the worst, Western Australia they had a lot destroyed by fire, but you can see other states, you can see their size is really small, for example, Tasmania and Victoria, okay? So your task is to have a crack, see what you can find, see the different charts and things you can make, and you might want to compare them. You might find things that I haven't done here, hopefully. I don't just want you to copy what I've done. Try and be more creative than just doing what I've shown you. But good luck with it. Remember, 1 o'clock is a great time to check in, and I am very good at guiding people through what to do. And I reckon if you come to that 1 o'clock meeting with any questions about this, you'll be able to leave that meeting with a really clear understanding of what to do if you're not sure at this stage, okay? So good luck with it. I reckon you'll be fine. And just try things, experiment, investigate with those graphs, and you'll be fine, okay? I mean, we're really looking forward to seeing the different chart types you can come up with. And it's really important to note that this will be really vital skills for the project starting next week, okay? So good luck.